Okay, children. So continuation of probability. Okay, in first classes I told about basics, children. In first classes I told about the basics. After basics, then I went where I went. Then I told 1 to 10, 9 sums in yesterday's class. Now today remaining sums will see. All the sums will be in the link, children. You can go in the description and you can check. 10th question I'm saying, children. All of you should kindly follow. 10th question. Okay, there are numbers 1 to 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Question is, what is the probability of multiple of 4? He's saying. How many multiples of 4 is there? 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. Up to which number he asked you to write? 15, no? 13, 14, 15. Okay. So before 15 and 1, between 1 and 15, only 3 multiples of 4 are there. So what is the probability? 3. 3 are there out of number of events by total number of events. Total number of events is 15. Out of 15 times, only 3 times we have. So what is the probability of this, children? 1 by 5. 1 by 5, because 3 ones are 3 5. You should do that. Okay. 11th sum printing is not there, children. Go to 12th sum, all of you. Go to 12th sum is also not there. 13th sum. Tickets number 1 to 20 are mixed up, children. Ticket number 1 to 20. 1 to 20. 1 to 20 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, okay, 19, 20. Tickets and all these are. What is the probability of getting, okay, children, everyone are listening, I think. What is the probability of getting? Question is, what is the probability of getting multiples of 3 or 7? Anything is okay. Multiples of 3 are 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fours are 15, 2 6 are 18. These are multiples of 3. Multiples of 7, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21. 21 is not there. So how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What is the probability? 8 out of how many numbers? Total events are there? 20 events are there. 2 fours are, 2 tens are, 2 twos are, 2 fives are. So what is the probability, children? 2 by 5. What is the probability? 2 by 5. 14th question, children. Now coming to 14th question. In a lottery, there are 10 prizes and 25 blanks, children. What is the probability of getting a prize? In a lottery, there are 10 prizes and 25 blanks. Okay, children. So there are 10 prizes and 25 blanks. So total how many events, children? 35 events are there. In 35 events, in 35, 10 plus 25, 35 events, what is the probability of getting a lottery? What is the probability of getting a prize? He's asking. What is the probability of getting a prize? So 10 out of 35. 10 out of total 35. 5 twos are, 5 sevens are, 2 by 7. Very, very easy topic, children. Probability is the only lesson, very, very easy. 17th question, children. 17th, 14th, or 15th. Probability of winning a game is 0.3. What is the probability of not winning a game? I told you so many times one formula. Can anyone say what is the formula here we will use?
So P1 plus P2 is equals to 1.
Very fantastic, Nana. Probability of event plus probability of no event is equal to 1. So many times I told this one. Total number of probabilities will be equal to always 1. Very good, Ravana. So probability of winning is 0.3. What is the probability of not winning? He's asking. What is the probability of not winning? 0.3 goes there. So probability of not winning the game is 1 minus 0.3. That is 0.7 is the probability of not winning the game. 16th question, all of you please see, children. 16th question. Bag contains 5 black, 7 red, 3 white. 5 black, 7 red, 3 white. 3 white balls. Okay. 3 white balls. A ball is drawn from the random. What is the probability of getting a red? Only Satvik will say. Satvik, what is the probability of getting a red ball?
7 by 15, sir.
Very good. 7 by 15. 7 by 15. Next, Ashrit will say. Ashrit, what is the probability of getting a black or white? Black or white? Anything is okay. Ashrit.
Sir, 5 by 15 or
No.
3 by...
No or. Black or white, anything is okay, he's saying. Means 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 you should say. That is 8 by 15. How can you say 5 by 15 or 3 by 15, Nana? You should add both. I said no so many times. So 8 by 15 is the probability. Next. Ashrit, not black. He don't want black. Ashrit, not black. Remove black. If you remove black, how many are there?
Sir, 10 by 15.
10 by 15. He don't want black. If you remove black, 10 by 15. 5 2s are, 5 3s are, 2 by 3 is the option. Okay, children, 17th question. All of these check children, 17th question. Okay, 17th question. Next, bag contains 4 red, 5 black, 6 white balls. 4 red, and 5 black, 5 black. Okay, and 5 black and 6 white balls. 6 white balls. 6 white balls. Okay, question. First question. Kushal, what is the probability of getting a white ball?
6 by 15, sir.
Huh? What, Anna?
6 by 15.
6 by 15. Very good. So 3 2s are, 3 5s are. So 2 by 5s are. Very good. Next, Kushal, you only say, what is the probability of getting red ball?
4 by 15, sir.
4 by 15. Very good. Next one. Sujit, not black. Sujit, not black.
Sir,
Don't want black.
9 by 15. 9 by 15.
Don't want black means 6 plus 4, 10. Don't
So
want
10 by
black.
15. 10 by 15.
Next sum also you are little. Next sum also you are little. Red or white, anything is okay. Red or white, anything is okay.
Sir, 9. Sir, 9.
Why 9 na? Red or white?
10
Huh?
by 15, sir.
Ah,
10 by
10 by
15.
15. So again 2 by 3. Like this you should do. Okay, children. Come on, copy down, children. I am giving 10 seconds to copy down. Fast. Copy that, children. Come on, children. Please fast copy down. Okay, those who copied them, those who completed copying. Next question. 18th question will do, children. Girls, get ready. I'll be asking girls now. 18th question. Rishikesh, are you there? Rishikesh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Daily you are joining late. 18th question. Yeah, children, all of you see
No,
18th question. Anum, 18th question. One card is drawn from well shuffled 52 cards. Okay, first question. Anum, King of Red. What is the probability of King of Red? Anum, King of Red.
Sir, 1 by 13. That is 2 by 26.
King of Red means 26 red are there, 26 black are there. In 26 diamonds and hearts, here one king is there, here one king is there. 2 out of
52. 2 by
okay.
52.
2 by 52,
2 by
that is 1 by
52.
20. Yeah, 1 by 26. Next, Nandika. A face card. Probability of getting a face card. Nandika.
Sir,
Probability of face card. King, queen,
12 by
jack.
52, sir.
Yeah, 3 are there, but 4 packs are there. 3 into 4 is 12. So 12 by 52. So 2 6 are 2 26 are 3 2 3s are 2 13s are. Okay, now mute your audio. 3 by 30. Next, Pravalika, red face card.
26 by 52.
Red face card. In this 3
Oh,
will be
face.
there.
Okay,
In this
okay.
3 will be there. In this 3, in this 3. Here 3 will be there. Here 3. So 6 by 52.
By 52.
3s are 2 26. 3 by 26. Next, Megastri, Queen of Black.
Yes.
Queen of
By 52, sir.
By 26.
how spades and clubs. Here one queen, here one queen. 2 by 52. That is 1 by 26. Okay, mute your audio now. Mute your audio. So much disturbance is there. Sorry, children, 1 second. Megastin, there's a lot of disturbance. I'm sorry, I could not hear. Next one, Queen of Black suit is over. Next, again, Anum, Jack of Hearts.
Yes, sir.
1 by 52.
1 by 52.
In heart, only one Jack will be there. Okay, in heart, only one Jack will be there. So 1 by 52. 1 by 52. Next, again, Nandika. Spades. How many spades are there?
Sir, spades 13.
13 by 52. That is 1 by 4. Next. Next question. Vedant, are you there?
Sir,
Yeah. Okay, children. Next question. You see, children. There is a first explanation I will do. 5 cards, 10, Jack, Queen, King, and Ace are shuffled. There is a 10-number card. There is a Jack card. All of you should listen, children. There is a Queen card. There is a King card. Which color is not important for us? And there is one Ace card. 5 cards are there, children. You know, all of you will play cards, no children, in your house. So one King will be there, one Queen will be there, one Jack will be there, one Ace will be there, and 10-number card. How many cards are there? 5 cards will be there. Okay, children. So I am not talking about any color. Black card or red card is okay, children. No problem. See, 52, 26 red, 26 black. That is different issue. I am saying just a 10-number card: Jack, Queen, King, Ace, Ace. Okay. So, children, question is one card is picked up at the random. First question: what is the probability that it is Queen? Answer:
1 by 5, sir.
sir,
1 by 5. 1 by 5. Now, children, a king is drawn first. A king is taken and kept outside. When king is taken outside, 10 is there, Jack is there, Queen is there, Ace is there, children. Now, only 4 cards are there. Now, 4 cards, okay? Playing cards, only 4 cards are there. If king is drawn and put aside, what is the probability that second card picked up is Ace? What is the probability of Ace?
1 by 4.
1 by 4. What is the probability of King? 0.
Sir, 0.
Once.
Okay, children. So very good. You should understand, children. He is not talking about all cards. Okay. In a cards, how many will be there? 52, 26 red, 26 black. And black, what are there? Spades, clubs, and 26 diamonds are there. Hearts are there. In each one of them, what are there? King, Jack, King, Queen, Jack, Ace, 2 number, 3 number, 4 number, 5 number, 6 number, 7, 8, 9, 10 cards will be there. Total 13 cards in each pack. So 13 4s are 52 cards will be there, children. Black 26 and red 26. Okay. Try to understand. Okay. Next question. 20th question. A bag contains 3 red balls, 5 black balls. 3 red balls, 5 black. The ball is drawn at the random from bag. What is the probability that the ball drawn is red? What is the probability of red? Children, anyone?
3 by 8, sir.
3 by 8. Very good. Children, next one. What is the probability of black?
5 by 8.
5 by 8, sir.
5 by 8. Okay, children. Next question. Next question, 21st, children. A game of chance consists of spinning an arrow which is equally likely to come to rest, pointing to 1 to 12 as shown in the figure. Figure is not there, children. There is a spinning wheel is there, children, like this. Spinning wheel is there, children. Okay. Okay, and so 1, 2, 3. Second, it should be like your clock, children. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This is their children. So you are playing a dart game like that. So your wheel is there. Okay, it can come 12, 3, this, or this. From where 11 will try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Okay, children. 11, where is the cost here? Where went wrong? Oh, 11 is for 4. Okay, 10 is
My 4 and
yeah, 10 is for 4. Yeah, 10 is for 4. 11 is for 5. So now children, what is the question means? What is the probability that it will point to? Question is, what is the I have question. What is the probability of it is pointing at a number 10? What is the probability of pointing at number 10? Okay, children, 1 by 12. 1 by
By 12, sir.
1 out of 12 possibilities. What is the probability it will point at 12? That is 1 out of 12. That is a probability, children. Okay. So this is remaining sums. I will give it as homework, children. All of you do that homework and submit to me, children.